Hello, I'm Doug Roran here in Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Going to point out this really pretty hellebore. This is a selection of Helleborus ericsmithii. Ericsmithii have niger as one parent and sternii as another. Now, sternii itself is a hybrid. It's a hybrid between two closely related species, Helleborus argutifolius, which used to be called Helleborus corsicus. It's from Corsica, and lividus, which is that wonderful species with the pale veining in the leaves. Since this hybrid is only I guess a quarter lividus, you don't have as much pale veining in the leaf as you would if it had more lividus blood in the background, but you see a little bit of lividus parentage in the bronzy sort of coppery pink on the outside of the petals, the sepals. Argutifolius flowers are apple green front and back. But all three of them are really good parents. And this particular hybrid is the one named Champion. Hellebores are a really good flower for pollinators in the winter months. You won't see them out on a cold day, but certainly when we have a mild winter day, you'll see honeybees and some other pollinators visiting the flowers. This hybrid between two hellebore species is sterile, and we don't see a single seedling around them, which makes for a lower maintenance plant. So the fact that you can grow some of these hybrids out in a sunny location means that hellebores aren't just for shade gardens anymore, that with the right selection you can add them to a sun garden. They need the same soil conditions, nothing fussy about the soil, just well drained. And there are lots of selections of Helleborus ericsmithii. And then there's two other similar hybrids, Helleborus ballardii, named for Marie Ballard, and Helleborus niger, which is a hybrid between niger and corsicus, which is the old name for argutifolius. But anyhow, more than you wanted to know about hellebore genetics, but great winter blooming plants. It's almost the middle of February and just spectacular today, and continue looking beautiful for another month or so. Really great value in the winter garden. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.